What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to yet another banger video. As always, I'm James with Top Class Detail, and today we have a day in the life. We're in the field. We're out here, one of my regular weekly clients. We're gonna go ahead and take care of this Ford Explorer ST. Simple inside and out, not simple as in it's a basic service, simple because it's a weekly client. We already know what we're working with. We're prepared and we know what we're getting ourselves into. So as always, stay tuned to the end of the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. And as always, I love you guys. All right, so we just went around and cleaned up the wheels. We went ahead and used Diamond Chemicals Diamond Brake for the tires and some Nanoskin wheel cleaner for the actual wheels. Already went ahead and rinsed everything down. Now what we're about to do is go ahead and foam it up. Right here we have diamond bubbles inside of a foam cannon. This was gifted to me by another detailer, Front Yard Auto Detail, so I appreciate you for that. But we're gonna go ahead and try this out and then see how it works on this vehicle here. All right, so we went ahead and foamed up the vehicle using our diamond bubbles. Now what I'm doing is I'm taking the Auto Fiber X Shine Supply collaboration flat outs. You guys know I absolutely love these things. I talk about them all the time. They're really good wash mitts. For a while, Auto Fiber was actually sold out. So I was trying out some different wash mitts and I thought those were good. And then I was able to get a pack sent out to me from my homie JJ's Auto Spa out in the Bay. And just using these things again, man, is like, damn, I should have never left them in the first place. These are some really good wash mitts. I didn't leave them purposely, but as I mentioned, they were sold out, but these things are great. So you pair them with a nice bucket with a 360 grit guard, some good quality soap. In here we have some GSF, actually GFX, which is the Christmas edition. And we're using that as our bucket soap to go ahead and lubricate the wash mitts while we have our diamond bubbles on the actual paint, working to help break down that dirt and debris that's up here on this vehicle. So as you guys seen in the previous B-roll, we already went ahead, rinsed the vehicle down, we dried it up. Now we're going ahead and focusing on the interior. So I'm coming around right now with Coach Semi's all-around surface cleaner, by far a great maintenance cleaner for a vehicle that doesn't need anything crazy. Now, of course, if it needs some scrubbing or some leather needs to be taken care of, I have other products for that. But for right now, I'm just simply doing the basic wipe down. Then I'm gonna come back and scrub down the seats and take care of the areas that I went over with my client that I feel like should be addressed a little bit more. So right now we have BCD vacuuming. While he's doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this trunk area, and then the last part that needs to be done, which is just the back passenger side, and then I'll be able to go ahead and come back around, scrub everything down, and take care of this inside. And then from there, we'll just have the minor things to take care of, which will be door jambs, tire shine, windows, and I believe that should be about it. So we're almost done wrapping up. I'd say about 25 or less. All right, so we went ahead and finished up the interior wipe down, the vacuum. So now what I'm doing is I'm coming through with my invisible glass and my amphibian mini towel, and I'm going ahead and clean up the windows. Inside's already done. So now I'm just gonna check this back glass, which is notoriously known for dripping water. So once we hit that, we should be good and be finished up here. All right, what's going on, everybody? So right here, I have Coach Semi's alkaline wheel cleaner. So I was able to try this out, get this sample over from H2O. I really don't know too much about the product. I don't know if it's even out yet. There's really no instructions on it. So I'm guessing it's something that is still like in the works or has yet to come out. So I was able to get some information brought over to me from somebody from Coach Shemy. They said dilute this 4-to-1, pre-rinse the wheel, put it on there, agitate it, it'll work very well. So that's what we have right here in this bottle. It's gold. So we're gonna go ahead and pre-rinse this wheel, hit it with that Coach Shemy wheel cleaner, and let's go ahead and see the kind of results we'll get from it. All right, so I went ahead and applied the wheel cleaner onto the surface. It's very easy to spray. It's nothing that's too thick that's gonna clog up a sprayer. I did go at it a little bit heavier because I want to see exactly the kind of cleaning power this has. And I can already kind of see exactly just how the dirt is starting to drip off and kind of work its way out this wheel. So I'm actually gonna try it and see if I just keep it saturated and fully rinse it, what kind of cleaning that will do within itself. Because I honestly think this is a really good wheel cleaner, and we'll go ahead and try that out. So while that sits, I'll go ahead and hit the tires real quick, and then we'll check back up on that wheel cleaner and see exactly how it works. I don't know if it's good for the tires as well, so I probably should have tested that, but we'll check back in. So right now I went ahead and let it sit, rinsed it off. My fingers are pretty clean, and I'm really not seeing any dirt come up on here. So I want to say it honestly did a really good job, just touchless. But just to be safe, because we don't want to have to come back and clean them again, we're gonna just go ahead and spray a little bit this time, and then just give it a real quick agitation just to play it safe. So let's go ahead and do that real fast. All right, so as you guys saw, we went ahead and finished up that Explorer over there. Now we're working on this Tahoe. We already went ahead and tackled up the wheels. So we're gonna go ahead and rinse down the paint, foam it up. This one's just an outside wash only because I already did the interior yesterday. This one is fully ceramic coated. So all it needs is a nice good rinse, foam, hand wash, blow dry, and that'll be it for it. And of course, tire shine. I mean, ass is cash. You let me know. Or you could trade in some of your brother's chrome hearts for a wash. I'll take it.
What you want? Hoodie or what?
Anything. I take Louis V. I take Gucci. I take everything.
All right, bet. Let's see what I can give you.
All right, I'm ready for you. Come over here.
All right, bet.
Bye. All right, so this is gonna be exactly what we're left with after using the Coach Shemy Alkaline Wheel Cleaner. I wanna say, honestly, it did really good. One thing I'm noticing too is it's not leaving a rusting on the brakes, which means it's clearly non-acidic, which is a great option as well. And I think it did really well. It didn't stain the black, didn't stain any of the metal, did very well. As well as we have some tire shine on here now, so it really just completes the look. And for something that's dilutable 4-to-1, I think this has some really good cleaning power, even though, yes, we still agitated it, even with that non-agitation, I think it did really good. So if you guys are looking for a new wheel cleaner, like I said, not too sure if this is out or if it's even gonna hit the market, but this tested, proven, and certified top-class detail, Coach Shemy's Alkaline Wheel Cleaner. So come pick it up at your local H2O as soon as it's available.